59% of frontline employees say their internal communications don't work. They're left waiting for updates, cut off from key decisions, and stuck using tools that weren't built for them. Chris Power, CEO of Power Consulting, puts it clearly. Whenever your employees work outside of your office, new challenges arise, no matter why they are off-site. However, there are almost always technological solutions to help you manage these employees. Managing a mobile workforce isn't just about keeping tabs on who's where. It's about clarity, connection, and performance. Start by setting expectations. Don't micromanage. Instead, define goals, create policies, and require brief updates from the field. Then fix communication. Frontline workers can't walk into someone's office. Give them mobile-friendly tools and make sure information flows both ways. Scheduling and dispatching must be real-time. Use cloud platforms to reroute in emergencies and match jobs with the right skills. Track performance using metrics like job completion time, customer feedback, and idle time. That visibility leads to smarter decisions. Cybersecurity matters too. Mobile teams often use public networks. Strong passwords, VPNs, and limited access protect your systems from mistakes that could cost you. Equip staff with the right tools, both hardware and software. Then train them well and keep training them. Make your cloud documents easy to access and update from anywhere. And don't forget culture. Keep everyone in the loop. Make room for FaceTime even virtually. It helps mobile teams feel like part of the team. Finally, give your mobile staff access to IT support whenever they need it. You can read the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this episode to your playlist.